Hello everyone, welcome to SocialNowa Chatbot. This is Kabir, co-founder of SocialNowa Chatbot, and I'll be taking you through the dashboard of SocialNowa. So let's dive into the dashboard of SocialNowa to make you understand how does SocialNowa actually works. So let me take you to the dashboard over here. Yeah, I hope you can see the dashboard here. So this is how your dashboard will look like. You have to log in from here. Okay, so once you log in, there will be, you can see there are few things that will help you. That is user guide. Okay, so I'll just close that user guide and you can just dismiss the checklist. That checklist will help you understand and import your bot, so I'll just dismiss it. Okay, so basically this is your dashboard. We'll see each component one by one. Okay, and in this dashboard, the first thing that you see are your total subscribers. Here, how many chatbot that you have enabled, and if you are selling through let's say e-commerce or something like digital product, then your total earning will be revealed over here. Then here you can see your messenger subscriber gain, how many subscriber or how many messenger subscriber you have gained over the period of 12 months. You can change that. Here you can see this is the April. I'll do this year. That way I'm able to see now 12 months data over here. So total subscriber are this for 12 months. You can go here and look for the any month that you want. Okay, so I'll be looking for the current month, that is April. Yeah, these are the bot enabled. 4 bot, 31 pages are there, 5 Instagram pages, and 46 flow has been created, that is chatbot flow. Okay, total order, pending, checkout, this you can see over this. Let's talk about messenger subscriber gain. Here you can see total messenger subscriber gain, how many emails. These are the emails that you gain. 197 subscriber, 2 phone number. So there are 2 people, 2 of your subscriber have given phone number to you. That's the second part of the dashboard where you can see this analytics. Now here you are able to see your most recent subscribers who have interacted with your chatbot. So that's what you can see here. Now I'll see subscriber from different sources. So chatbot plugin, send to messenger plugin, customer chat plugin, direct from Facebook, comment private reply, and m.me link. So these are the different ways you can use your chatbot, messenger chatbot. So let's suppose if you're using m.me link on some of the demo that we have applied here. So how many subscriber we have got from m.me link, that I'll be able to see here. How many subscriber through comment private reply I've got, that I'll be able to see here. Directly from Facebook, how many of them have sent us reply, that I'll be able to see here. Send to messenger plugin, that I'll be able to see here. Customer chat plugin. So if let's suppose in the dashboard you can see here, this is the customer chat plugin that we have integrated with SocialNowa. Okay, so if someone is interacting to us from here, we will be able to see how many customer chat plugin have been interacted with us. So the same goes for checkbox plugin. Now e-commerce earning, if you have already installed your e-commerce store in SocialNowa Chatbot, you will be able to see all those earnings and analytics here will be visible to you. So basically this is the front end of your dashboard, the first thing that you see. If you just click over here, you will be able to see the full menu bar over here. Okay, if you click, you are able to see the full dashboard over here. If you are stuck anywhere, you can just click on this chatbot plugin, and you can go as a continuous guest or log into messenger, and you can start chat, you can start asking query. So let's suppose Facebook and Instagram. The moment you hover your mouse over here, you will be seeing this this kind of notification. Okay, so that is a tip to you. So why do you use Facebook and Instagram over here? It is to manage your accounts and pages. The moment you click here, these are your accounts and pages, all will be seen here. So for that you will have to first log in with Facebook. We'll talk about it later in the next video. Then the same here, your all pages will be visible. And the most important feature of SocialNowa Chatbot, which is bot manager. Yeah, so from here you can create your bot, you can select the pages, you can switch to either Facebook or Instagram. You can create the pages, you can enable the bot, and then you can start creating new flow. Okay, so API channel, as you know, SocialNowa Chatbot is not just a chatbot, it comes also with the great feature of social media scheduling and social media automation. For that, you will have to integrate all your social media platforms. So these are the platforms, not only social media but also email and JSON API connector. So you can go here and click on them and you can integrate any of the social media that you want. Okay, now let's talk about subscriber manager. Yeah, this is subscriber manager. Here all your page accounts will be seen and pages will be seen. So here these are the accounts of Instagram, and if I click here, these are the accounts and pages of Facebook. So basically, if I have to scan anything, all my subscriber will be shown over here. These are the subscriber that are of this one of my this channel or pages. So the same you can see here. Okay, now let's talk about, this is subscriber manager where all your subscriber will be visible. We'll be talking about it in detail in one of our tutorial video. Live chat, this is one of the best option that you can get in SocialNowa Chatbot. Sometimes you have to interact as human because there are some queries that have not been yet implemented or set up in the bot. Here you can see the Facebook and Instagram hover is there. Okay, so what you can do is in the live chat you can see all the pages. Here you can change the pages, here you can see, and you can switch to them and you can start talking to them as a human agent. We'll be talking about live chat also in one of our video, but this is about the features that we should tell here. Okay, then we have bot templates. You can click here on the bot templates. You'll see many templates that help you set up your bot in a click. Okay, if you click over here, you'll be able to see all the bots available here and you have to implement them. Okay, then we'll be talking about templates demo. This is one of the features that really helps you understand if you want to use the bot templates and you don't want to start you're building your bot from the scratch. You don't want to start like that. So basically what does it do? It helps you choosing the bot templates. Okay, how? So there are multiple templates that are already integrated with SocialNowa Chatbot. You just have to use, but if you go through the bot template, it will directly integrate the bots in your account. If you go through this one, it will help you understand the live demo of the bot. So I'll click over here and you can see that I can directly see the demo here, legal services bot by SocialNowa, and I'll be able to see the bot, then how does it work, how does it function. This way it really minimizes your effort and makes you understand how does the bot work. So let's see, these are the template. Hey Kabir, welcome to your FB name. Our professionals work with the subject matter expert to deliver tailored and insightful legal advice to each of our clients. Now you can see this about us, book now, services. You can click on the services and check out whatever the services they have, and you can set up your bot as well. This is the same way you can set up your bot. Okay, so you won't have to start from the scratch. You can just go here and implement this. Okay, I hope you get this. Now let's talk about comment growth tools. Here you will be able to do a lot of automation with the comments. Okay, so auto comment, auto reply, story templates, all those on Instagram and Facebook. So that's one thing that you can do. And while going here, you can simply click on Instagram or Facebook and you'll see different templates for either Instagram or Facebook. Just switch to, you just click on this to switch from Facebook to Instagram. That makes it very easier. Okay, we also talk about social posting. It is one of the important feature of SocialNowa Chatbot. So you can create multiple posts, right? Multimedia posts, CTA posts, carousel posts for Instagram, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, and as well as for Twitter. Okay, so RSS feed, these are the options that you get. Facebook and Instagram poster, and then posting for automating your posting for Twitter as well as LinkedIn and RSS feed. So this is possible with SocialNowa Chatbot. broadcasting. So let's suppose you have got lot of subscriber, then you can broadcast those subscriber through here. You can create a campaign and you can broadcast all of them, whatever message, whatever promotional or non-promotional message that you have to send from here. Here you will see two features, especially basically OTN, that is one time notification requesting for follow-up message, and this is non-promotional 24-hour structure message broadcast to messenger. So this is basically you have to send them non-promo tag or 24-hour structure message. So that means the subscriber has to engage with your chatbot within the 24 hours, and you can send them message only within that 24-hour period of window. And this non-promotional means you can send them only non-promotional messages, right? This is one time notification to request for the follow-up broadcasting. Here is the option of e-commerce store. You can create your e-commerce store from here and set it up inside your messenger itself. You don't have to have the website for it. Okay, is tutorial and docs. If you are stuck anywhere, you just click on the tutorial and you will be seeing tutorial like this one. So if you are stuck anywhere, okay, the same goes for documentations, different documentation for the e-commerce, visual flow builder, or whatever. Our community, we really recommend joining community, because these are the people like you, all our fellow novites. They are helping each other to make bots or chatbot marketing better, so that you go there. Now let's talk about, these are the few features that you will get as additional feature to SocialNowa Chatbot, like search tool, Google API for the Google Sheet, and also interest explorer. Okay, we will keep on adding few more features here, and you will see those features time to time. If you have bought this chatbot from any site like Appsumo, you can just redeem your coupon over here. And if you are looking to buy within, so you can click on here and you can ask for the payment. For any question if you have till here, you can simply click on support desk, or we would recommend to go here, click on this chatbot icon, and just let us know what problem you are facing. So I hope this has made it very clear. I hope you have understood the dashboard very clear. If you face any problem, please write down in the comment, share it with you. In the next coming videos, we'll be talking about each of the featured in detail, so you understand it better. I hope that is gonna help all the novites to make their chatbot marketing process, chatbot marketing journey very easy. All the best to you. See you in the next video.